Alright guys, we just detailed the bike, meaning that everything was cleaned thoroughly. Can't be any more clean than that. Bring back the shine into this. There's no dust on the bike whatsoever. I mean, no rocks, you know what I mean. This is what a 4-year-old bike that has been detailed looks like. I gotta move quick. Okay guys. Okay. Typical day of how to start this. Put the key on. Remember, it's park on neutral. It's park on first gear. And the kill switch is off. So if you turn the key, check engine light will turn on. Now you need to put the kill. Check engine light is on because it's not gonna start. See, look. So now you have to put it on, you have to press the clutch and you have to gear neutral. Easy to find neutral. So let go of the clutch and you start the bike right here. This is the RPM. When you're done riding, when I sell you this bike, I'm gonna give you the filter cover. You can ride with this in the rain. It's recommended if you're riding in the rain to cover it. And also the disc lock. There's also a feature called headlock. What it is that the key turns on all the way here. This is to remove the headlock. This is to activate the headlock. Last is covering the bike. The oldest cover, because you can see the color fades, and this cover is kind of new. Still got its original color. That means it's being beat up by the sun, which is okay because that's what the cover is for. So this cover has 3 latch. Got one here. Latch number 1. You got one here. Latch number 2. And you got one here. Latch number 3.